A typical day in the metaverse, a shared immersive virtual world, may for long closely resemble the familiar world we live in. We visit shopping centers, drive around town, meet friends in cafes, and exchange contacts in ways that seem strikingly real, thanks to rapid advances in virtual reality and 5G communications. So hold on tight as we bring you to another era, the Metaverse Economy. But before anything else, don't miss out on any video updates. Make sure to subscribe. The concept of a metaverse has been around for decades in multiplayer online games. However, we could soon enter an era of immersive experiences that are difficult to differentiate from our real world, allowing gamers and non-gamers to interact in new ways. Several things have become necessary due to the pandemic, including being alert for alternatives. Alternatives to something you couldn't do during the outbreak. The last year and a half have seen a significant shift in physical meetings moving online to an unprecedented level. Online conferences are on the rise, and who would have thought virtual concerts would be possible? Oh, don't tell me you've forgotten about Ariana Grande's virtual concert series. How it brims with floating staircases, fluffy clouds, and avatars dancing on colorful bubbles, among other bedazzling psychedelic effects. She reportedly earned around $20 million or 27.4 million Singapore dollars from her video game concert held on Fortnite, a platform with millions of viewers. In addition to this trajectory, we have the story of a young man who was about to celebrate his birthday at the height of the pandemic, although the gatherings were few and far between. Nevertheless, this boy and his friends still wanted to celebrate his birthday with each other. How about an online celebration? It was a party where he and his friends could have fun and not feel like they weren't together. The birthday party was held on Roblox, a game platform that allows users to design and play games created by others. With their virtual game avatars, the boy and his friends could attend this virtual party and play games together. When you use this platform, it's as if you're seeing the person one-on-one. You can design your avatar precisely as you are by making in-app purchases. Need a new wardrobe? Robux is the game's virtual currency that you can use to purchase these items. It's like being in your private world. Thus, metaverses are virtual places that are similar to the physical world. Those born into the digital age find it difficult to explain what a metaverse is, so don't feel bad if you're not entirely up to speed. Imagine it as a digital hybrid of virtual reality, augmented reality, and physical reality. As you are on Earth, so is your avatar in the metaverse. Neil Stephenson coined the term Metaverse Economy in 1992 with his science fiction novel Snow Crash. Conceptually, the term refers to a representation that symbolizes something else. To be more precise, a metaphor combines two or more concepts to create a new meaning. According to this definition, the metaverse is an alternate reality created using virtual reality and other computer technologies, and a currency and banking system exists in this alternate reality. The Metaverse Economy, also known as cyberspace or cyberland, exert as much influence over us as our physical world does. In a few years, it's predicted that people will spend a more significant proportion of time in the metaverse than in reality. Virtual reality, for instance, isn't some distant futuristic vision. The world's first virtual reality headsets have been on the market for 5 years. As a consumer and a creator, these devices are changing the very definition of who we are. Virtual reality can revolutionize many industries, from gaming and entertainment to education and healthcare. A wide range of applications could greatly benefit from virtual reality technology with the Oculus Rift headset, Sony PlayStation VR, HTC Vive, Samsung Gear VR, Google Cardboard, and other similar devices. Our economy will be driven by virtual reality soon, so does everyone need to know the Metaverse Economy? Of course, everyone should. Since there are so many devices that allow you to visualize a virtual world from the comfort of your own home or office chair, it has never been easier to participate in a virtual economy. Irrespective of whether you're a gamer looking to discover a new world or a business person trying to achieve success. Joining the Metaverse economy offers several perks. Here are a few from creations that have the potential to be worth millions in this latest form of cyberspace entrepreneurship. By creating a virtual environment, you can sell products to an international audience and gain exposure to a new audience. Obviously, not everyone will end up with a massive investment in it. Still, people's decisions should be based on what they know about the metaverse, so let's learn more about making money in the metaverse as we're entering a new dimension, and we need to prepare for what lies ahead. Just saying. For incorporating the physical world, non-fungible tokens or NFTs like digital certificates of authority will be vital. NFTs will give avatars and digital items like shirts, shoes, and artwork a unique identity through the metaverse. Over $500 million have already been devoted to NFTs, with another $40 million being spent monthly. But still, the question remains: how can your business make an impact in this new world? So that you know, the gaming industry has already been reaping the benefits of the Metaverse economy. Virtual reality technology is incorporated into game development, increasing game purchases, game downloads, and engagement rates. In this new space, your business has endless opportunities, from developing virtual reality games to offering services to gamers. With the Metaverse economy being universal, there are many ways to succeed. The Swedish company IKEA was an early adopter of AR app, or augmented reality app technology. With the IKEA Place app, you can virtually place their furniture in your house to see how it would look. The incorporation of AR into their business has been a success. It prevents the nightmare of physically visiting their stores to find furniture and appliances that fit into their taste and lifestyle, causing other furniture companies to follow suit. Lowe's and Suit Anthropology are two other furniture companies joining the AR train. Even Converse allows users to virtually try on shoes with their Converse Sampler app before buying them. You can even snap a picture and ask others for feedback. Matterport provides real estate agents with a 3D model of their properties, which gives potential buyers an unparalleled way to view properties. Just imagine taking a 360 virtual tour of hundreds of properties in a day from the comfort of your own home. This gives real estate agents a competitive advantage. Metaverse economy will also provide many opportunities for hobbyists, as people who are good at crafting or have good ideas can use 3D printers to create their creations. Anyone can create something with a 3D printer, from jewelry pieces to toys to furniture. As a final note, the Metaverse economy can be described as an open global digital market. Anyone can join. Since there's no entry barrier and it's a free market, anyone can do business there. It's digital and all transactions occur on the blockchain, which provides immediate verification and security. Think of the Metaverse economy as a new era of global trade, without borders, tariffs, or customs. It's difficult to overstate the full force of what the Metaverse economy is capable of, as it has captured the attention of many in the virtual reality space, from entrepreneurs to academics to futurists. Only time will tell how this new economy will grow in the long run, but the possibilities are endless. You may want to consider joining the Metaverse economy now so that this era of global trade can be a reality for everyone. What are your thoughts? Are you willing to join the Metaverse anytime soon? Comment below and let us know what you think. For more videos, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching the video and see you next time.